The world is changing, faster, smarter, and more connected than ever. Nations are reindustrializing, rebuilding supply chains, and investing to protect their sovereignty. At the center of this transformation is Titomic, redefining the future of manufacturing through our proprietary Titomic Kinetic Fusion technology.
With Titomic Kinetic Fusion, we're building stronger, lighter, and more complex metal parts faster than ever before, without melting the material.
It's a solid-state supersonic process that bonds metal powders instantly, eliminating heat-affected sounds and producing near-net shaped parts with up to 80% less waste and 70% shorter lead times.
The demand for rapid, localized, and sustainable production has never been higher. With modern facilities in Huntsville, Alabama, Heerenveen, the Netherlands, and Melbourne, Australia, Titomic is delivering domestic manufacturing capability across 3 continents.
We're aligned with the global movement towards sovereign industrial capability, from the US and NATO to AUKUS and the European Rearmament initiatives.
Our technology transforms sustainment economics, replacing months of downtime to days. We can repair parts that have traditionally been scrapped and replaced, cutting life cycle costs by more than half.
Whether it's missile chambers, warhead casings, pressure vessels, or space shielding, Titomic is redefining what's possible, from defense to deep space.
Our expansion is accelerating in the U.S. with our global headquarters. This is our new 59,000 square foot facility in Huntsville, Alabama. We have also expanded in Europe with our Netherlands and UK facilities, in addition to what we already have in Australia.
Backed by a $50 million capital raise and a clear path to cash flow break even by 2027.
We're not just innovating technology, we're building the backbone of tomorrow's defense industrial base.
From hypersonics to sustainment, our mission is clear: build smarter, sustain longer, and move faster.
Titomic Kinetic Fusion cold spray solutions are restoring readiness across Allied fleets, safely, sustainably, and at scale. In the face of increasing global complexity, rising cost, and tightening schedules, the need for solutions that are faster, smarter, and more strategic has never been more urgent.
We're driving innovation, empowering industry, and securing the future.
The world is taking notice, and there's never been a better time to join the Titomic movement.